Alright, so I have my seasonings ready, and I have my pepper and salt, my baking powder, my garlic powder, paprika, and I did not have onion powder, so I used lemon pepper instead, and that turned out to be just as good. Here's my chicken that has been cleaned and is ready to be cut. And this part on the video actually looked really easy, but I have horrible knives and I had the hardest time getting this stuff cut. I even tried breaking the joint area so I can get through the bone, and that still was super difficult. But honestly, you do not have to cut it. You can cook the whole wing, and that's probably what I'll do next time. But it did not change the flavor or anything of it. So if you have good knives, I say go ahead and cut it. Here's my chicken that has been cut, and I ended up leaving a few big pieces. Pour in your seasoning mixture and mix it very well, and it should look like this. And then you will lightly spray your baking rack with some cooking spray, and then you will align your chicken pieces onto the rack. The rack is very important because this is what's going to make your chicken crispy. Chef Buck said to put the part with the most meat facing down, so that will leave the part with the skin facing up, and it should look like this. Your oven should already be preheated to 425, and then you will bake the chicken in the middle rack for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you will carefully take the chicken out. Go ahead and flip all of the pieces because you want it to cook evenly on all sides. After you've completed your cooking time, this is what your chicken should look like, and it is super crispy, and you can actually touch it and you can feel that it is very crispy. Chef Buck put half in sauce and he left the other half, and I did want to try mine without the sauce just to see what it would taste like, and it was delicious. The spices were great. The sauce that I used is this more spicy habanero sauce, which wasn't as spicy as I liked it to be, but it was still very delicious. And I mixed it up with my half of the wings, and voila, this is what it should look like, and they were delicious. Even my husband liked them, and he does not even like wings with bones in them. Okay, so for some reason I'll always forget to do an ending video, but I just wanted to say that I really love these wings. This was my first time ever making wings. I literally eat nothing but vegetables, so this was something different for me to try, and I absolutely loved it, and I cannot take any of the credit. It was all Chef Buck. So thank you. High five. So thank you, Chef Buck. We really enjoyed the wings, and I will definitely be making more. So thank you. That'll be it.